Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in Roblox via Quick Login. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you want to enjoy Roblox on your other device, then you don't have to sign in using your ID and password every time and can sign in through the Quick Login feature. The Quick Login feature allows you to sign in to your secondary device using primary device. So if you're signing to your main primary device, then sign into your secondary device using it. This video will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, how to open our Roblox on your secondary device. After that, you can select on quick sign in. From here, you can just open your Roblox on your primary device with your account that you want to log in. After that, you can select on the three dots over here, three lines over there. You can scroll down, select on quick sign in. You can enter the code or you can just scan the barcode in here. You can just enter the code QMTDDF. After that, you can just select on continue. Select on confirm. Select on OK. You can just wait. So now you have logged in into your Roblox account to your secondary device. Very simple, right? As you can see here, it's the same account. It's same, right? So that is how to log in on Roblox via quick sign in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.